Hello everyone and welcome to Solves and Classes. So in this video we'll discuss a very important thing, a very important news that basically impacted a lot of students who are preparing for the engineering and medical entrances. Basically the new date that has been assigned for the conduction of the IIT JEE mains advance and the NEET examinations, which we recently heard that is the date for the IIT JEE mains advance and also the NEET examination on 3rd of June. This was announced that this exams has been postponed until the month of September. So now let's take a look at the news pertaining to the same so that we can get a detailed analysis of what is actually going on, and we can also make out all the information pertaining to the same as well. The National Testing Agency or the NTA has stated the correction window for JEE mains and NEET applications. Okay, so they basically stated the correction window. The change of exam city and candidate particulars are now allowed till July 15th. So that particular date has also been extended till 15th of July. The latest news on NEET and JEE is the availability of the correction window following the news of postponement of JEE and NEET. Okay, so as we know, like I already said, on the 3rd of June, we have already seen that the exams had been postponed. So in a tweet on the 3rd of June by the HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, the new dates were announced. Okay, the JEE Mains 2020 exam dates are from JEE Mains are from September 1st to 6th, and NEET 2020 exam dates is September 13th, while the JEE Advance has been scheduled to September 27th. Okay, so all these dates basically mains, JEE Mains from September 1 to 6th, Advance on 27th September, and NEET on simply 13th. So all this are being conducted in the month of September. Okay, so these announcements have been made. This has come in the wake of the numerous demands for the NEET and JEE postponement. Okay, so why the demand? Because of the current lockdown in place, and also the environment that has been really unsafe and hazardous and dangerous for all the students or the aspirants who would be appearing for this examination. Wherein if we conduct this examination, it would be almost impossible to maintain the social distancing norm that the current situation basically demand. The HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has asked NTA, the National Testing Agency, to review the situation and submit the report on NEET and JEE mains conduction by the latest of 3rd July 2020. So yes, the main review has been already sent out. NEET 2020 was to be held on 26 July for 16.84 lakh registered aspirant, and JEE mains was to be scheduled from July 18 to 23 for more than 9 lakh aspirants. So you can see the number of people who allegedly have registered. The latest update on NEET as per the report may be postponement in the further notice. So this is what we have the current news as such. Now, if we talk about the fee payment of the same, so let's take a look at that as well. So, if we talk about who has to pay the additional fee for the same, we can actually say that the following candidate has to pay the additional fees for NEET. Okay, so as far as NEET is concerned, candidate who wish to change category from general EWS OBC NCL to general must pay additional 100 online. Candidate wishing to change the category from SC ST PW transgender to general must pay 700 as an additional fee. In case they wish to change to general EWS or OBC NCL, they have to pay 600. So yes, if you are one of those candidates who are looking to change your category, you can go through this particular and just select a particular category, and then you have to pay the additional fee as well. Now if we focus on the JEE mains or the engineering entrances, there only candidates who have changed their category from reserve 1 SC ST PWD transgender to general or OBC, the application fee is different for both, and hence the difference would require to be paid. Okay, candidates who committed a mistake in the gender details and need to change that. Okay, candidates who wish to rectify from male to female will have to pay the difference in the NEET or JEE mains application fee again. Okay, so in terms of in case you made a mistake in while filling out your gender, and candidates who are planning to appear for the exam in India but are abroad and now have chose two abroad centers on account of the international travel restriction will also need to pay the difference in the fee. Okay, so these are the people who need to pay the additional fee as well. Particularly those people who are currently staying abroad and wish to take up the exams abroad, and those who wish to change their categories, and those who have made some kind of mistake in the, what to say, filling up the form, be it in the gender or any other sorts. So they need to focus on. Now, if we talk about the JEE and NEET correction window open, the change of exam cities and correction of candidates particularly allowed. So if you focus on that, NTA has stated the correction facility for both JEE Mains and NEET 2020. The JEE Mains correction is available at jemains.nta.in, while NEET's correction is available by the registered candidate at ntaneet.nic.in. So in case you need to make any changes pertaining to the exam series or correction in candidate particulars, you can go through this website and then you can log in and particularly you can make the changes as well. The new registration window is also visible on TS2 websites but are non-functional once the candidate reaches the actual registration part. Okay, so this is the issue that we are facing. So the candidates can know that even if the fresh registration or application window for JEE Mains or NEET are seemingly open, in reality they are not. Okay. So now, having talked about what are the things that JEE Mains has kept open, now since we supposedly we have another 2 months until the examinations occurred. So what should our ideal approach be towards tracking this examination? So another 2 months to add to a preparation time, candidates who haven't finished the preparation can actually do now. Okay. Other than that, they can use the NTA app for practice purpose and to test themselves. So this is a very good initiative provided by the NTA. So you can use that. Previous year's papers are the best tool to gauge how well one is prepared. So you can go ahead and prepare as many, solve as many previous year papers as you can. And short notes should be prepared for the last time revisions. Jot down all the important formulas, topics that carry weightage, and all those details that one needs to refresh before the exam. So make sure you are thorough with all these things so that you can maximize this particular period of time and basically make the most out of your exam preparation. And also NEET and JEE admit card dates that are supposed to download 15 days prior to the exam. Okay, so before the day of the exam, 15 days prior to that, you will be able to download the admit card. JEE Mains and NEET admit cards will be available 15 days before the exam dates. This means JEE admit card 2020 will start after August 15 for JEE Mains, and NEET it will start expect to start on 27th of August. Okay. The candidates will be able to download the admit card of JEE Mains and NEET exam through their candidate login. Only registered user will be able to download their JEE Mains admit card and NEET admit card. Okay. So this was all the news that we have seen come across pertaining to the postponement of the dates of JEE Mains and advanced in general. So in case you are one of those aspirants who are preparing for this examination, make sure you make the most out of this 2 additional months that you have got and prepare to your fullest and maximize this time and give your 200% for your preparation. So in case you need any kind of guidance with your preparation for the same, you can actually look us up, you can look us channel, or you can basically visit our website to know more regarding the programs and the support that we provide for the students pertaining same. You can actually visit our website www.solacellclasses.com. You can mail us at you can mail us any kind of query that you have pertaining to your preparations or any kind of classes. For that you can mail us at solacellclasses@gmail.com, or you can actually call, text or WhatsApp us. Basically call, text or WhatsApp us on the numbers 7439184809869758572, eight three three seven eight eight one four three one, 9836793076, and 9874222756. You can either call, text, or WhatsApp us on any of this number. So with all that said, I'd like to wish all the best to all the aspirants who are going to be appearing for this exam. Now you have got a lot of time to basically maximize your attempt in this examination and make sure you put in your extra effort in all this additional time so that you can almost certain yourself a seat into your dream colleges, be it for your medical preparations or your engineering preparation. So in case you have any kind of doubts pertaining to preparation, feel free to contact us on all this above mentioned sources as well. So at last I'd say all the best, and in case you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming and suggest this further down the line. Thank you so much.